Today, I'm going to reveal to you guys my high ticket product research method, and I'm going to tell you guys how to increase your chances of success testing products on Facebook. Before we find winning products, I need to give you guys the mindset and really increase your chance of success testing products while dropshipping, because a lot of you guys test products and you guys will find success for months and months. And this is a common thing I've been seeing on the questionnaire when people join my Facebook group. I realized that not a lot of people see success in dropshipping. A lot of people don't have the foundation. They don't focus on the skills required to make dropshipping work. They think dropshipping is just you find a product and then somehow you get sales, somehow you do $100,000 in 1 month. It doesn't work like that. It's a very skill-based business model, and you guys also have to treat it like a business, especially when you guys want to see consistent results. Learning the skills, specifically direct response marketing, understanding how to create a high converting product page, understanding the psychology of what makes a person buy, understanding how to create high converting videos. So build your skills, guys, build your foundation, and you guys will start seeing a higher rate of success. Because even if you get lucky, you find a winning product and then you scale following a guru's strategy on YouTube. Once that product dies, what are you gonna do, right? And even if you get lucky, how do you know you're squeezing out as much revenue out of the traffic you're getting from Facebook? How do you know you're using your budget wisely? There's all these little details you guys need to really nail down, build a foundation, become very efficient in building systems. Like, these things are super essential if you guys want to see success and replicate the success I'm getting. And even then, I'm not where I want to be. There's a lot of flaws in my business that I'm trying to figure out. Dropshipping is a numbers game. You guys have to take out all these variables, such as the way you build a product page, such as the way you structure your creative, your Facebook ad strategy. You're creating a system for how you write your copy. Take all these factors out of the testing phase, rate your system. Just try to have the product choice as the only variable in your testing. And of course, not everything's going to be perfect. Even now, my systems aren't perfect. This is essentially going to increase your rate of success. There's no tricks or hacks to it. You guys just have to put in the work. But anyways, guys, let's get into the first product research tool that I use, that I've seen to have the highest rate of success. Tool is called Seller Pulse, and I'll show you guys exactly how it works in my computer. So head on to Seller Pulse, and this is what you guys are going to see on the screen. Go to the left menu here. We're going to choose our categories or niches. I'll show you guys the common categories I like to choose, but it's really up to you guys. You guys can decide and just play around and experiment. Just note that everything I show in this video is just my preference. You guys should always be just testing on your own, experimenting, and just connecting all the dots. Try to learn the underlying reason why I do things the way I do. You guys will slowly develop your guys' own strategies that will work the best for you guys. What works the best for me might not work the best for you guys. What I like to choose is electronics, jewelry, home improvement, mother, kids, home and garden, beauty and health, and furniture. And then we're finding high ticket products, right? So we're gonna set the minimum cost of goods as $10. That's the minimum price point I see for high ticket products, but it's really up to you guys. If you guys wanna find low ticket products, you guys can do like $2 or $1, doesn't really matter. But make sure you guys set a max cap too, so you guys don't get flooded with products, because there's tons of low ticket products on AliExpress. So I would set the cap at like $5 or $10 if you're trying to find low ticket products. But for the purpose of this video, we're finding high ticket products, so $10. We go to the time span here. Last 7 days, last 3 days, experiment, guys. Last 3 days, 100 orders, 1 to 5 products. That the minimum cost is $10. And then in the last 3 days, it has had 100 orders. So that means it's hot. Then simply just press search. You're gonna see a lot of these random products, but that's fine. We're gonna see like some good products from time to time, like this facelifting 3-in-1 EMS. But I don't recommend selling products like this because it's a really weird health product that promises unrealistic results. You're not gonna get approved on Facebook, and your ad account is gonna get banned. Don't even try it, guys, especially if you're a beginner. I don't want to risk you guys getting banned right off the bat. We see a 5-in-1 EMS radio. Last 3 days, 241 orders, guys. This product is super hot. But we'll go back to this product and verify the demand of it. Let's just keep scrolling and find more products. Everything here is pretty much hot. We put in settings that we are only filtering products that have had 100 orders in the last 3 days. So these are pretty much all hot products. The tool pretty much did all the work for us already. We just had to verify the demand and see if it's a high quality product that we want to test. What I'm looking for is something that has a broad appeal, a big audience size, and has been approved in the market for a long period of time, because that's really important when we get to the phase where we want a private label. We don't want to be afraid of not being able to sell the inventory. It's just really down to our marketing. So here we see a heart rate monitor device. Last 3 days, 171 orders. This is something you guys can hop on. This can sell for really high. So when you're using this and you're finding hot products, I think the biggest hurdle that you guys have to overcome is creating the creative. So then there's many ways you guys can create creatives. You guys can order the product in and record your own video, or you guys can outsource to an agency. You guys can sketch videos on YouTube and stuff, but it's not a long-term and sustainable way, and you're just gonna run into a lot of problems. So you guys see again, more blood pressure monitors, hot products everywhere, guys. Well, let's go back to that one product and verify the demand. The first thing I'm searching up is the technology. It uses light therapy, and we see that it has had consistent search results in the past 12 months. So let's check the past 5 years. Again, pretty consistent. This actually has a market. I don't have to ever worry about not being able to sell out my inventory. If I decide to buy some inventory, that's like the very first place I like to look is Google Trends, just to see if people are searching on there consistently for the product. So that means people are pushing this product and people are aware of this product. So it'll be easier to sell it, and you guys will know the marketing angle just from examining what other people are doing, past creatives, and then reading reviews. It really takes a lot of the guesswork out. Again, a quick search on Amazon too. I see the very first listing has 7,000 reviews for the technology. And we search up the product, 5-in-1 face therapy wand. We see results, but it's not as nice as products we found in the past, but there is a certain demand for it. It might not be a killer product that would do you millions in 1 month, probably do 100K months here. This product is worth testing and scaling, but personally, I would try to find something that has a wider appeal. So I would say this product is like a medium winner. You're not gonna do like crazy $1 million months, but you will be able to do consistent sales, and it's just down to your guys' goal. Whether you guys want to build a private label brand, or you guys just want to do big months and generate cash flow. My goal is just to generate cash flow, so I'm just gonna skip over this one and find a better winner. So back to Seller Pulse, let's take a look at the heart rate monitor. So back to Google Trends, consistent demand, guys. And then we look at Amazon. This clearly shows way better results than the last product. So this is something that I would test and scale. And then I would safely order inventory, and I know I will be able to sell out of the inventory. Look at that, guys. This is a winning product. You guys can go test this for yourself too if you guys want. Hardest part is just creating a creative and then getting approved on Facebook. But there you guys see how effective this tool is. And just the quick research I do to verify winning products is really simple, and you guys can teach a VA to do this whole thing. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you guys want to find more value and talk to my partners, my team, and just people in the community, join my Facebook group. It's in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video.